Um, there is something that I would like us to look at on sets here. There is this rules, De Morgan's rules. De Morgan's rules. All right. Just want us to look at this one. So we did some shading in our grade 10, but this time we are still on shading, but we are going to extend the number of sets to say 3. But before then, there's something that I want to show you here. It's De Morgan's rules. Okay, let's talk about this A union B all complement. All right, and then I would like us to look at A complement intersect B complement. All right, now we have this scenario here. There is the universal set, then set A with set B. Okay, now if you were to shade A union B all complement, what would you do? You would actually think of A union B, and we know that A union B is here. Okay, now A union B all complement would be outside here. All right, it would be this region. Okay, yes, we are correct. Let's look at this one. A complement intersect B complement. Universal set, set A, set B. Okay. Now, what we do, I said here, you just have to go aside. Maybe you will use a scrap of paper. I don't know what you will do, but you can just go aside and say, okay, I'm going to shade these sets individually so that I look at the double shaded region. All right. So you would say A complement is here, this region. No, don't get into A, please. I'm not shading there, I'm shading outside A. All right. Then B complement. Where is B complement? B complement is outside B, is here. Outside B. Okay. Don't shade inside B because you are saying B complement. It's outside B. Now you look at the double shaded region. The double shaded is here, outside both sets. That's the double shaded region. So that means now you can do this. You can come and shade the double shaded region is this. All right. So you can see that this region is the same as this region. All right. This region shaded here, which is A union B all complement, is the same as the region shaded here, being A complement intersect B complement. All right. So what does that mean? That means that we can conclude that A union B all complement is actually the same as or equal to A complement intersect B complement. All right. So this is De Morgan's rule. De Morgan's rule. It says that A union B all complement equals to A complement intersect B complement. All right. You just have to know these things. You just have to know these things. All right. Now, let's look at one other thing. Let's look at one other thing. Let's say we were going to shade what can I say? A intersect B all complement. All right. A intersect B all complement. And here we will shade A complement union B complement. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Our universal set. Okay. Now we have set A, set B. All right. So now set A and set B, A intersect B all complement. We think of A intersect B, this region here. So we want to be outside this region. So we're talking about this region. That is the region outside this one. Okay? Yeah, this one is unshaded because it's the intersection. So we say outside that intersection. Okay? Now, that's what we would have. Let's see this one. Sorry. All right. Now, A complement union B complement, what do we do? We can just step aside here and see. So we have A complement outside A. Okay? And then we have B complement outside B. No, outside B. Outside B. All right. So then outside B. Did I shade outside B here? Okay. And then did I, yeah, I'm done. Now we look at, because it's union, we look at the region that has been shaded, whether single shaded or double shaded. So we are aware that the only region that is not shaded is this one. So that means we are going to shade here. Don't get in there. Shade here. Yes, that is that. So you can see that the only region that is not shaded is this one, like here. So that's also the De Morgan's rule. The De Morgan's rule. So what does it say to us? It means that A intersect B all complement will be equal to A complement union B complement. All right? This is these two are De Morgan's rules. That's what I wanted us to look at at this level, so that at least now we know this thing, and then we can get to other things now. We can get to other things now. All right, we can continue to other things now. All right, take care.